So I'm going to talk about a problem and a resolution. So first door being shot one side of it, was getting heavy spits. As soon as I started, shooting it, I couldn't figure out what was going on, immediately I stopped and then looked at my guard because I was thinking there was something on the guard causing it to spit. I looked down, the tip was about a 1/16 of an inch from being pushed all the way down inside. So I was getting buildup on the edge of the guard that was being thrown onto the door. So all I did was push the tip in all the way, the spit stopped, other side of the door came out flawless. So if you're getting spits, make sure you stop, try to figure out, how to solve it. Now, what do I do with all the spits? You can let it dry, sand it out. Denatured alcohol works absolutely amazing for removing spits. I can take denatured alcohol or a Tru-Swipe Swab. I could rub that spit out when it dries, within like 12 to 24 hours, it'll completely rub out without sanding, without Bondo, reshoot the door, and you won't even be able to tell. Tru-Swipe Swabs are the king when it comes to removing spits like that. So don't panic, don't worry, it's all fixable.